Saturday, May 12th, 5:30 on the Saturday, and it's just stopped raining. It's been raining all day. Let's look out my window and see what it looks like, okay? It's been raining cats and dogs all day. Let's look out the other window. You know, this area is quite old, so it's full of red brick and clay and stuff like that. So when it's wet, it's really rich, vibrant colors. Nobody's around today. It's very, very quiet, and just a lot of traffic because nobody wants to take the subway. They're huddled in their cars. Anyways, have yourself a warm day on this cozy, rainy, wet Saturday in Seoul. Talk to you later.